Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 says 2 times 5 minus 3x equals 4 times x plus 4. So I'm going to follow my 4-step plan. Step 1, eliminate fractions, is done because there's no fractions in the problem. Step 2, simplify sides. In this problem, I have to simplify both the left side and the right side because there's a distributive property on both sides. So I'm going to distribute the 2 to both the 5 and the negative 3x. On the left side, 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times negative 3x is negative 6x. On the right side, I'll distribute the 4 to both the x and the 4. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 4 is 16. Now my left side, 10 minus 6x, and my right side, 4x plus 16, are in simplest form. Step 3, I'm going to add the opposite in order to isolate my variable terms on one side and my number terms on the other side. I'm going to choose to add 6x to both sides in order to keep my variable term positive, so I'm putting the variables on the right side of the equation. Negative 6x plus 6x is 0. 0 plus 10 is 10. So my numbers will be on the left side. 4x plus 6x is 10x plus 16. My variables will be on the right. However, I have to now add the opposite of 16, which is negative 16, to both sides in order to isolate the 10x on the right-hand side. So 10 minus 16 is negative 6. On the right side, 16 minus 16 is 0. 0 plus 10x is 10x. Now I can move on to my last step, which is divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable, which in this problem is 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1x on the right side, and negative 6 divided by 10 is not a clean division. So I can just express that as negative 6 over 10. However, I can reduce this fraction by 2 over 2, a form of 1. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Negative 3/5 equals x in simplest form is the answer.